Hello everyone, Hamp Thomas here. I'm an appraiser and a realtor, and today I'm talking to you about a new book titled How to Measure a House based on the ANSI measurement standard. Guys, for anybody that's thinking about measuring square footage, whether you're an agent, appraiser, just starting out, or been in the business a lot of years, you'll learn something new in this book. I've been in this business over 26 years, and the last 15 had been devoted to learning home measurement and the ANSI measurement standard. There's really no other books like this. Most things are pamphlets, articles, with very short details in them about how to measure one thing or another, but this book covers measurements. It's step by step of measuring a single family house based on the ANSI measurement standard, which is just a smart business practice. Check this book out on Amazon or at howtomeasureahouse.com, but it's a great title, How to Measure a House. Check it out. Thank you.